try that again. Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Alright, I am finally back. Do you want to know what's been going on? It has been a while. I've been slacking, but I'm back with another video. Let's go ahead and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. As you could probably already see in the thumbnail, I'm using Iroiro. Again, I'm still experimenting with this brand. This will be my second time using it. But today we are using the color 70 pink and neon orange. It says 320, whatever that means. And we are using yellow, which is 120. I don't know what those mean, but so pink, orange, and yellow. Ow. So we're gonna see how these turn out as far as what they actually look like compared to what's in the tube. And I have been literally debating up until this point how I'm gonna do this. There's several techniques that I could try. I was interested in doing the pinwheel technique. Again, if you didn't already see that video, I just did a galaxy color video for that technique, the pinwheel technique. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check it in the iCards or in my hair playlist video. It's one of the last few videos I did. But today, I think I'm gonna call it the mohawk technique. I'm still experimenting with different techniques and ways of putting the dye in to make it look different ways and seeing how it turns out. So the other option was ombre, which a lot of you liked. I did a little poll on my Snapchat, so a lot of you guys did vote on the ombre. However, as you can see, I already did that, and I do love the ombre. I just don't want to repeat the same style again with the same colors. So hope you guys forgive me that I'm not doing ombre, but I really want to try this because I'm very curious to see how it's going to turn out. So stay with me. So what I'm going to do is, it's layered section by section, like full sections, and then when it comes down it should blend pretty well together. So it's still kind of like an ombre, but just big sections of full sections. So we have this whole top section will be pink, and then we have this section will be orange, and then I'm going to do a section from my ears around. Basically, you get the idea. So this would be yellow, and then I don't have enough hair head to do more. So I'm gonna separate this into two. Unfortunately, there's only enough left, and then we'll have a pink and an orange. So yellow, she's gonna be slacking just a little bit, and if I need to, I might put a little yellow on the ends of my hair. We'll see how it goes, how much I really like the colors that come out too. So without further ado, let's go ahead. We have our brushes, we have our bowls, we have our gloves. I'm gonna change into a shitty t-shirt that I don't care about, get my gloves on, and let's see what these colors look like and get them in my head. Ta-da! All right, I have my stuff done and I have my sections done as well. So we're gonna start at the top, and I did decide that I'm going to do a special section in the front as always, especially because I don't have another yellow section, so I feel like the yellow is a little neglected. So for that reason, I'm gonna do a chunk in the front, like maybe like a part, like a chunk like that, you know. I'm gonna start on the top and start the pink here. And also, like I said, I did the Snapchat poll. If you guys are interested in being a part of that in the future, add me on Snapchat right there. You guys can ask personal, you know, hair questions or whatever. I'm your friend. And, you know, we can talk about anything you want. Add me on there, and I will always respond. Hey, come on. We did get a new puppy. So, there he is. That's our new puppy. All right, so here's the colors. The pink, beautiful. It is very bright pink. The orange, very orange. It does say neon orange. She's orange. And then of course the yellow. These are beautiful. I mean, beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm so excited to see how they turn out on my hair. I'm actually gonna do the yellow part first. Let's go ahead and do that one. Let's go. She's a beautiful, sunshiny highlighter yellow. And if you've never seen one of my videos, I do have a handy dandy towel that I like to, no, I don't rinse or wash. I wipe the dye in between colors so that it doesn't transfer onto the other section. Let's continue this. That is so pretty. A, B, C, D, E, F, U, and your mama, and your job, and your broken car, and that's shit you call art. I'm loving the yellow. I got all the colors in my hair. Okay, turns out the orange, it seems to develop from like a yellowy orange to like an orange within a few minutes. Like it literally developed in front of my eyes. It's pretty cool actually. So I'm very excited. I'm not one for neon colors normally, as you can probably see if you watch my channel. I really like pastel. And this technique, I love it. So let's go over the colors. I did use probably a little over half of each one of the colors. There's about this much left in each one. I was very careful because these are packets. You can't really, I mean you can, but it's very hard to actually put color back. So just use a little bit at a time so you don't put more in the bowl than what you need, so you don't waste. So I do have a little bit over half left of each of them. So that's super awesome. According to the package, it says leave on hair for 30 minutes or longer and then rinse with cold water. As with any semi-permanent hair colors, always rinse with cold water. It will set the color and it will last a lot longer. Also cold water when you're washing it after this initial application. So let's go ahead. We're gonna wait. I like to wait about an hour or so, so that's what I'm gonna do. I will see you guys back with the final result. I'm super excited. Let's see how it goes, and I will see you here in a little bit. Ta-da! This is the final result. Here you go. I did curl it so you could really get a good feel for all of the colors that are involved because it's kind of hard to see without it. But just so you can see, I want you to be able to see both. Here's the curled version. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, here is before I curled it. Let me insert a little clip here. Alrighty, well, I will say she's a little bright. This definitely does seem more like a summertime color than a wintertime color, which we're in now. I don't know why, I came across these colors and I was like, drawn to them, and that's what I went with. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and how it turned out. It's definitely very bright. I will let you guys know how these colors fade out, and I do plan on doing a full review on the whole Iroiro brand itself to see how long it lasts and all that good stuff. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.